Welcome to Byte Further. Today's video is going to show you why your iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max has a black screen. Then, you'll learn a step-by-step guide on how to fix iPhone XS Max black screen but still on or black screen of death problems. Here are 4 common iPhone XS Max black screen scenarios you might be confronted with. 1. iPhone XS Max screen is black but still working. What does it mean when your iPhone screen is black but still works? You're charging your phone, using Snapchat, watching YouTube videos. Suddenly, your iPhone XS Max screen goes black randomly and won't turn on with button presses. The display is blank and black, showing nothing, but you know the phone is on and working. Because you can still use Siri, feel it vibrates, get message notifications and alerts, and hear calls and sounds. 2. Black screen of death issue. You have a completely unresponsive black screen. It doesn't respond to anything, for example, can't be detected by a computer. 3rd, iPhone XS Max flickering then goes black. You mistakenly drop the phone or get it wet. Then, the screen is all black and you can't see everything. You tried to restart the phone, and after a while, the phone screen flickered and then turned black. 4. iPhone XS Max screen is black but the phone is on, showing a loading circle, spinning wheel, or Apple logo. Why is your phone screen black but it works? And what causes the black screen of death on iPhone XS Max? Here are a few reasons. 1. A system glitch. It's a common reason if your iPhone XS Max screen suddenly becomes completely black and unresponsive. 2. A draining out battery. It's an obvious cause for the black screen of death issue. 3. Wrong iOS update. If you have a black screen on iPhone XS Max just after updating the iOS software could be at fault. 4. Corrupted apps. You can check if your device blacks out frequently when you're opening or using one specific app. 5. iPhone XS Max running out of storage space. 6. Broken display. Your iPhone XS Max is working and you can hear sounds but the screen is black? The display itself is to blame. So, what to do if your iPhone XS Max screen goes black? There are mainly 6 methods to fix the black screen problem and turn it back on. If the solutions here help, please give this video a like, subscribe Byte Further channel, and comment below to let us know which method you've taken to get past the black display. Now, let's start. Method 1. Force restart iPhone XS Max. When your phone screen is black or unresponsive, Apple recommended fix it to do a force restart. It won't erase the content you've saved on your iPhone XS Max, and it's useful even when the black screen isn't responding to buttons. Here's what you need to do. Press and quickly release the volume up key and volume down key. Then, press and keep holding the side button for a few seconds until you see the Apple logo. Ignore the power off slider on the screen if it appears. Now, the Apple logo shows up. Let go of the side button. See if your iPhone XS Max black screen comes back on now. Method 2. Charge then force restart. If your iPhone XS Max won't start up to turn on but is still stuck on a black screen after force restart, charge your phone for more than 2 hours. Make sure to use the Apple certified USB cable and charger to do the charging. Normally, you should see the red charging screen. If not, go to the next method. After 2 hours, force restart your iPhone XS Max. Quickly press then release the volume up key, volume down key, and then keep holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. Now, see if your iPhone XS Max turns on past the black screen. Method 3. Check the charging cable and charger. If, after charging your device for more than 2 hours, the charging screen doesn't show up and you only see the connect to power icon, do the following things first. First, use a soft and dry brush to clean the charging port. Second, use another known good USB cable, charger, or power adapter. Third, plug your black screen iPhone XS Max into a wall power outlet firmly. Now, charge your phone for more than 2 hours and then force it to restart to fix the black screen problem. Method 4. Update the iOS software. The next iPhone XS Max black screen of death fix is to update the iOS software. Here's what you need to do. First, connect your iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max to a computer. Second, open iTunes or Finder. Third, keep your phone connected and put it into recovery mode. Here are the steps. Quick press the volume up key, volume down key, and then press and hold the side key. Don't release the side button when you see the Apple logo appears. When you see the recovery mode screen, let go of the side key. Head to iTunes or Finder on your computer. From there, you will get the option to restore or update your phone. Choose Update. Finish all the steps it needs you to do on the screen. Now, iTunes or Finder will start downloading the latest iOS software and installing it into your iPhone XS Max to fix the black screen without erasing your data. All that's left to do is wait. This might take 1 or 2 hours to finish. Take a cup of tea or coffee if you prefer. When all is done, your device will boot up past the black screen and turn on the lock screen. Now, it gets you back to a functioning iPhone XS Max without being stuck on a black screen anymore. Method 5. Wipe clean iPhone XS Max. If your iPhone XS Max remains black screen after the update, try to factory reset your device. You can use this method to fix the black screen issue if it's caused by the low storage space. Please be sure to confirm that you've made a fresh backup to keep your personal information safe. Here's what you need to do. First, connect your iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max to a computer. Second, open iTunes or Finder. Third, put your phone into recovery mode. Quick press the volume up key and volume down key, and then press and hold the side key until you see the recovery mode screen. Head to iTunes or Finder on your computer. When you get the option to restore or update your phone, choose Restore to factory reset your iPhone XS Max with a black screen problem. This might take 1 or 2 hours to finish. Once done, your device will remove the black screen and turn on the hello screen. Method 6. Contact Apple. What to do if you did all the procedures and the phone still stays on the black screen but everything else works? Then very likely your phone has hardware damage. Maybe it's getting wet. Perhaps the LCD is broken. It's recommended to take your phone to an Apple store or Apple authorized service provider. Let them examine your phone and advise you on how to proceed. If you don't have a store nearby, contact Apple support for further assistance. That's all how to fix iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max black screen of death problem and make it respond to touch again. Hope this video can make your phone get past the black screen, turn it back on, and respond to your touch. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.